Bisa rokok menjadi kebiasaan kalangan tua maupun muda.
Bisa mengancam kematian. Dan juga jadi salah satu faktor resiko infeksi paru-paru.
Bahaya untuk semua organ dalam tubuh. Tetapi yang paling menyolok adalah terhadap saluran nafas dan paru-paru.
Indonesia adalah negara dengan kasus non-perokok terpapar asap rokok tertinggi di dunia.
Seorang wanita bandar narkoba di Jambi berhasil ditangkap di Jakarta Barat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, honorable lecturers, respected judge, and my beloved fellow students. First of all, let us express our gratitude to the Almighty God, because it is only by His blessings that we can gather here in good, healthy, and spirits. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever tried to enjoy the fresh air in your campus garden, but suddenly a cloud of cigarette smoke runs that moment? That simple discomfort is what many students experience every day. Today, I would like to share my opinion about a topic that affects us all. Smoking no campus, freedom or disturbance? Okay, next. A campus should be a place for learning, not smoking. A campus is supposed to be a place for learning, thinking, and growing. A clean and inspiring environment that supports creativity and concentration. But how we can think clearly if they are around us is filled with cigarette smokes. Cigarettes may look small, but their impact is enormous. According to health studies, the cigarettes contain more than 7,000 toxic chemicals, and hundreds of them can cause cancer. That means the danger is not only for smokers but also for passive smokers, the innocent people who breathe in the same air. So smoking is not a personal habit is a public issue. Many smoke often say, but let's think carefully. Does your night include harming others or personal rights most? And when another person of comfort begins, is a shared environment like a campus. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air and for study comfortability. When one person hikes a cigarette, dozens of others around them are forced to infinity the same toxic smokes. So the question is it still freedom? If is it selfishness? Real freedom is when the snake of others know when we gonna ignore them. As students, we are not only learners, we are future leaders and change makers of our behavior, reflect our value and the image of your institution. If we equity is not just a rule, it's a revision of discipline and respect is so that students are mature enough to choose what is right over what is rarely habit. Solution and what we can do. No, what can we actually do to respect your surroundings? Try to avoid smoking in campus areas, especially near classroom, libraries, or canteen. Second, the campus authorities should take real action, not just putting up no smoking sign, but also enforcing the rules and providing clear designated smoking zones from the main student areas. There three, the student must be agent of change. We can campaign for a smoke-free campus. Share information about the dangers of smoking and support your friends who want to be quit. Change always begins with small steps, and that step can start with you and me. Dear friends, smoking might sound like a small personal choice, but its consequence ensured by everyone. The air we breathe is not owned by one person, it belongs to all of us. Our campus is a place where knowledge grows and dreams were built, not where health is slowly destroyed by cigarette smoke. So let's make a commitment to keep your campus clean, fresh, and smoke-free, to respect others' comfort and health, and to be generation that bring positive change, not the one that spreads pollution. Let's remember this. Thank you for kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this chance, I want to presentation my PowerPoint. In the first, I want to presentation. The title is question word. I'll start my presentation. Next, what is a question word? A question word is words like who, what, where, when, and how that is used to ask for information about a topic. Next, example what? To ask for information about something such as subject, activity, or concept. What example? What is your hobby? What are you doing? Yeah. Next. Example where function to ask for refer the location, place, or position of something, and even example where is your car, where is my bag. Next, when function is to ask about the time or period of time and even accurate example, when did that happen, when will they arrive. And next, who function to ask about a person identity either as a subject or a subject in introverted sentence in a relative clause. Example: who is he? Who wrote this book? The next is whom, when the pronoun is object of a verb or preposition. Example: whom did she tell? Whom did you mean?
This is example.
The next is whose. Function to solve possession, asking or stating to where something belongs. Example: whose car was forever? Whose bag is this? And next is why. Was said to ask reason or explanation. Example: why you so angry? Why you look so ugly? That is an example. Next, which us to ask for a choice explore. Example: which coffee shop do you prefer? Which one is yours? Next. Function would ask to about the why or manner of something is done. Example: how are you and how much does it cost? Next. How much us to ask about quantity. Countable. Example: how much does it cost? How much water do you drink every day? Next, how many? Function is used to ask about quantity. Example: how many books on the shelf and how many siblings do you have? How long? Ask about the duration on something. 60 seconds of will take. Example: how long is your day? How long is this shirt? And how often? Ask about the frequency of an action, event or activity. Example: how often do you eat fast food? How often do you drink coffee? And next, how far? Occasion words as to frequent about distance, such as the length between 2 points. Example: how far is your home to school? How far is this street? And how often? Ask about frequency of action, event or activity. How often do you eat fast food? How often do you drink coffee? Grammar tips. Specific rule for how to ask question words like what, where, who, when, why correctly to from question. Example: what is your hobby? Your hobby is what? This is one is correct and two is wrong. The next is common mistake. He can seem wrong, he can seem correct. Practice 1. Make question using what are you doing? Who is he? Why he is so angry? When do you born? Practice 2. Answer the question, what is your favorite car? My favorite car is BMW. Where do you usually study? I study in BSc University. Why do you like your car? Because my car is very handsome. And next, conclusion. Question 4 are key to good communication, measuring them help you speak and write English more clearly and confidently. Yes. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.